All right, picture this. It's late at night, you're driving home, it's raining, and suddenly, bam, your tire gives out. You pull over, your heart racing a little, and you think, no big deal, I'll just call someone. Except, no signal. Yeah, nightmare fuel. Or maybe this one's even more familiar. You leave the grocery store, juggling bags of milk and snacks, you sit down, turn the key, and nothing. Just that sad, lonely clicking sound of a dead battery. And now you're stuck, staring at your steering wheel like it personally betrayed you. Here's the truth. Most people, especially beginner drivers, always think, that won't happen to me. Yeah, until it does. Breakdowns, flat tires, dead batteries, they don't book appointments. They just show up. Usually when you're late, tired, or dressed way too nice to be crawling around under a car. And here's the thing. The difference between a complete meltdown and just a little hiccup usually comes down to one thing: what you've got in your trunk. So today, we're building a first car survival kit. 15 essentials every beginner, honestly every single driver, should keep in their car. And don't worry, this isn't some wild doomsday prepper bunker in the trunk situation. These are simple, affordable, practical items that save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. So buckle up, because if you just got your first car, or even if you've been driving for years but never thought about what's actually rolling around in your trunk, this video is for you. Number 1. Portable jump starter. This is the MVP. If you only buy one thing from this list, let it be this. Picture this. You're parked at work, it's dark, the parking lot is empty, and your car just goes silent. No start, no life. You wave at a stranger for help, and they do that awkward smile and keep walking thing. Been there, hated it. But with a portable jump starter, you don't need anyone else. Just clip it on, push a button, and boom, you're back on the road. No waiting for roadside assistance, no begging strangers. These little lifesavers cost $60 to $100, but one use pays for itself. And bonus, most of them have USB ports. So not only do they start your car, they'll charge your phone while you wait.
Number 2, tire inflator or air compressor. Here's the deal. A flat tire doesn't always mean it's destroyed. Sometimes it's just low on air. Maybe you picked up a tiny nail. Maybe it's just temperature changes. With a small compressor, you can pump it back up and at least make it to a shop instead of calling an expensive tow truck. A decent one costs about $40 and plugs right into your 12-volt outlet. Pair it with a simple tire pressure gauge, which costs maybe $10, and suddenly you're in control. And let's be real, your tires are literally the shoes of your car. Try running a marathon in sandals? Doesn't work. Same thing here. Number 3, spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Seems obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how many people don't even check if their spare is usable. Spoiler, a flat spare isn't much help. Take 5 minutes this weekend and check. Is your spare inflated? Do you have a jack? Do you have a wrench? And are they actually usable, or are they those flimsy little factory special tools that feel like they'll snap in half if you sneeze on them? If you can, upgrade to a sturdier jack. A hydraulic one is safer, easier, and way less terrifying when you're stuck on the side of the road.
Number 4, flashlight with extra batteries. Yes, your phone has a flashlight, but have you ever tried holding your phone in your mouth while changing a tire? Doesn't work. Get yourself a proper LED flashlight. Waterproof if possible. And here's a pro tip. Tape spare batteries right to the flashlight so you're never caught with a dead one. Because fumbling around in the dark, cold, and rain, that's not the time you want to realize your only light source is dead. Number 5, jumper cables. Even if you've got that portable jump starter, throw in some cables. Why? Because sometimes you need help, and sometimes you get to be the hero. They're cheap, under $20, and when you help someone else, trust me, you'll feel like Superman. Just remember, red to positive, black to negative, and don't mix them up unless you enjoy fireworks and regret. Number 6, tow strap or tow rope. Ever get stuck in mud or snow? It's not fun, but with a heavy-duty strap, another car can pull you out in minutes. They cost $30. Just make sure it's rated for your car's weight, because nothing's scarier than a tow strap snapping loose like a giant rubber band. Seen it, wouldn't recommend. Number 7, first aid kit. Cars don't just hurt wallets, sometimes they hurt hands too. Changing a tire? Cut. Checking the radiator? Burn.
A small first aid kit handles those little injuries until you can get proper care. You don't need to carry a hospital, just bandages, antiseptic wipes, maybe some painkillers. Small, simple, but worth its weight in gold when you need it. Number 8, reflective warning triangles or a safety vest. Imagine being broken down on a dark highway, cars zooming by at 70 miles an hour. Scary thought, right? That's why reflective triangles or even a bright vest are so important. Number 9, multi-tool or basic toolkit. Sometimes the problem isn't huge. Sometimes it's just a loose clamp or a stubborn screw. That's when a multi-tool saves the day. If you want to go the extra mile, grab a small toolkit, wrenches, sockets, pliers, and of course, duct tape, because duct tape is basically the universal car band-aid. It won't fix everything forever, but it'll get you home. Number 10, extra fuses. Nobody thinks of this one, but so many big problems are really just a tiny fuse. Headlights out? Radio dead? Power windows not working? Swap a fuse? Problem solved. A pack of assorted fuses costs under 10 bucks, takes no space, and can save you a ton of stress. It's one of those things you don't appreciate until the moment you really need it. Number 11, blanket or emergency thermal blanket. Cars don't pick nice weather to break down. Imagine it's a freezing night, your heater's gone, and you're stuck waiting hours. That's when a blanket feels like luxury. A regular fleece blanket is perfect, but if space is tight, grab those foil-style thermal blankets. They're cheap, tiny, and reflect your body heat like magic. Number 12, gloves. Try changing a tire in the cold without gloves. Yeah, not fun. Work gloves protect your hands from cold, dirt, and sharp edges. And they cost like 5 bucks. Throw a pair in your kit and thank me later. Number 13, snacks and water. Sounds silly, right? But if you're stuck waiting hours for a tow, that granola bar becomes a 5-star meal. A couple of energy bars and a water bottle can turn a miserable wait into something a little more bearable. Number 14, phone charger or power bank. Dead car battery? Bad. Dead phone too? That's next level disaster. Keep a charger in your glove box, or better yet, a power bank, because the one time you need to call for help, your phone will be at 1%. Number 15, paper towels and wet wipes. Not dramatic, but super practical. Oil checks, cleaning spills, wiping greasy hands after a roadside fix, you'll end up using these all the time. Cheap, small, and ridiculously useful. So there you have it, the ultimate first car survival kit. 15 essentials that can turn a disaster into just another story you laugh about later. And listen, I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of stuff. But most of it is cheap, small, and once you pack it, you forget it's even there. It just lives in your trunk, waiting quietly to save your day one random Tuesday night. Having this kit isn't about being paranoid, it's about being smart, because breakdowns happen to everyone. The only difference is, are you the person stuck waiting helplessly for hours, or the one who fixes it in 10 minutes and keeps moving? So here's your homework. This weekend, check your trunk. Start building your survival kit. Even if you add just 1 or 2 things at a time, your future self will thank you. And now I want to hear from you. What's one item you never drive without? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Seriously, it helps way more than you think. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. And before you go, check out the videos on screen. One is my latest upload, and the other is picked just for you. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep your car happy.